Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about variable data types. In our previous tutorial, we have got some theoretical knowledge about data types, their range, and their sizes. In this tutorial, first we will cover which data type is used for which type of variables. Data type and descriptions. Char or character. It is typically a single octet, means 1 byte. This is an integer type. Int. Int is the most natural size of integer for the machine. Float. Float is a single precision floating point value. Double. A double precision floating point value. Void. It represents the absence of type. That means character is used to store characters in memory. Int is used to store integers in memory. Float is used to store a single precision floating point in memory. Same with double. And void represents that there is no data type or no value available. Thank you.